my name is Shweta and I'll be taking your speaking interview today. So your speaking will be conducted in three parts. The first part is going to be the introductory questions. The second part is going to be the cue card, for which you will get a minute to prepare, and on the same you have to speak for a minute or two. And the third part is going to be the follow-ups. Right? So the first part is the introductory, as I mentioned. So we can start with the questions. What is your name?
My full name is Harmanjot Kaur.
Harman, where are you from?
I am from a small village named Lakkarwala, which is situated between Shri Muktsar Sahib and Malut.
So what facilities are available in your village?
Well, in my village, there is good infrastructure and better health facilities. Education system is very good, and also there is a park where people can do their leisure activities.
So please describe your hometown a little more.
Well, there are two Sikh temples and one Hindu temple, and also there are electricity poles and a park where people can go to do their leisure activities, and also a pond where people do swimming.
Okay, so how long have you been living there?
I am living there since my birth.
Okay, so do you like your place?
Yes, I would definitely like my birthplace, as I am living there since my birth, and there are various facilities for the people.
So is your village an interesting place?
Yes, my village is quite an interesting place, as there are better education and health facilities. Infrastructure is quite good, and there are religious places where people can go to pay obeisance to the god.
So is there anything in your village that you don't like at all?
Well, the roads are filthy and I don't like that. If I got a chance, I would definitely like to construct them.
So how long would you like to stay there?
As I am a school-going student and I want to go abroad for my higher education, but after completing my higher education, I would definitely like to live in my hometown only.
Okay. So are there tourist attractions in your hometown?
Yes, there are two Sikh temples and one Hindu temples. One Hindu temple which is very famous, and there is a park which is quite large, and there is a fountain in between the park, and also a pond where people can do swimming.
So is there anything in your village for the youngsters to have fun?
Yes, there is a cinema in my hometown where people can do for streaming movies, and also a park to do leisure time activities.
Are you interested in sports?
Yes, I am interested in sports
Why?
because it provides me physical strength as well as mental ability.
Why it is important to be physically fit?
Being physically fit, one can avoid the risk of diseases, and it helps them to do any activity without fatigue.
So what sports are your favorite?
Well, I like both indoor as well as outdoor games. I like most the badminton and volleyball as a outdoor game.
Why?
Because by playing badminton, I get a peace of mind, and by playing volleyball, it gives me physical strength.
So do most people in your country like these sports?
Well, these are the famous sports in my country, and mostly people like to play these two games.
Okay. So what are the benefits these sports bring to us?
By playing activities like indoor games and outdoor games, people get relief from stress, as they act as a stress buster, and also remain physically fit, and it also helps them in their difficult situations, if people are getting in any trap, like they are getting snatched or met with the thief who are in danger, who pay harm to them. At that time, this physical strength helps them to see themselves.
Okay, let's have questions on shopping. Do you like it?
Yes, I am very much fond of shopping
Why?
because I like to purchase new things like electronical gadgets and clothes, footwear, and matching jewelry.
So do you shop online or offline?
Well, I prefer to shop offline because it gives me experience, and also it's good by purchasing things to see with naked eyes.
So, what is the benefit of shopping offline?
Well, by doing shopping offline, people gain experience, and also I also we check the quality of the particular material and know how to deal with the others while shopping.
So, do you compare prices when you shop?
Well, I don't like to bargain while shopping because the things I purchased are branded, and the branded things are quite expensive because it contains good material, and they are tagged by a authority.
So, why branded clothes are usually expensive than the local clothing?
Because they contain good raw material, and they are of high quality, and which are good for the humans.
So, is it difficult for you to make choices when you shop?
Well, in this modern era, there are distinct products available in the market, so it's quite difficult for me to choose the things from the variety of things.
Okay. So, do you like desserts?
Yes, I like desserts like cake, chocolates, pastries, and many more.
Okay. So, what do you like to eat the most?
Well, I like to eat cake the most as it is very tasty, and also they are like uh, stress buster for me,
Why so?
because by eating cake I forgot all the worries which I had.
Okay. So, all the Indian people like to have desserts?
Well, most of the Indian people like to have desserts as on the occasions they have desserts like rasgulla and cakes, pastries, etc.
So, what traditional desserts are famous among the people of your country?
Well, in my country, people like to have cakes, pastries, ice creams, and there are some traditional sweets like funnel cakes.
So, have you ever baked a cake?
Well, yes, once I tried to bake a cake, but as I am not good in culinary skills, it doesn't make perfect.
Okay. So, let's have the cue card. You can use this pen and paper to make the notes, and the topic for you is describe a film or movie that made you laugh. You have a minute to prepare, and your time starts now. Speak on the topic.
Well, streaming movies is my all-time favorite activity, and I watched many movies. Some are like comedy movies, thriller, horror, romantic, and many more. But comedy movies are my all-time favorite. So here I would like to talk about a comedy movie which I watched. The name of that movie is Three Idiot. I watched this movie for the first time with my friends in the cinema. This movie is, and we laughed historically throughout. This movie is more laughable as compared to the others. This as it is a blockbuster movie having amazing storyline, music, action, comedy, and the presence of celebrities like Amir Khan and Katrina Kaif. This movie revolves around the three college-going students, and it reflects that when the students are not interested in the field of study. And there are many laughable scenes like meeting Rastogi family, speech in the assembly, and using Scooty as an ambulance. And the three college-going students behave mischievously with other students and teachers, and also with colleagues, and create a sense of disharmony. Moreover, this story reflects that how to entertain.
So the cue card topic that you have to speak on is describe a movie or film that made you laugh, and your time starts now.
Well, streaming movies is my all-time favorite leisure activity. I have the list of comedy movies I watched is endless. Here I would like to talk about a movie which made me laugh. The name of that movie is Three Idiots. As I watched this movie for the first time in the cinema with my friends, and after that I also watched it many times at my home. Actually, it is a blockbuster movie having an amazing storyline, comedy, music, and the presence of celebrities like Amir Khan and Kareena Kapoor. This movie revolves around the story of three college-going students and reflects that when the students are not interested in their field of study, the three college-going students behave mischievously with other colleagues and teachers and creates a sense of disharmony. The character of a college-going dean is quite comical. There are many scenes throughout which it's difficult to hold laughter, like the giving funny speech in the assembly, and using Scooty as an ambulance, and meeting the Stogie family. I watched this movie many times in with my family, and they also like this movie as this conveys a great message that students should not be pressurized to choose a particular subject. Instead of that, they should choose those subjects which they are interested in. I would definitely like to recommend this movie to the others who are looking for a movie that is full of laughter.
Okay. So do you like comedy?
Yes, I like comedy, as comedy are the way to relax, and it also act as a stress buster.
Okay. So why do people of all ages like to watch comedy movies?
Well, as I told you earlier, that comedy movies acts as a stress buster and gives people to get relief from their monotonous and hectic schedule. Also, comedy movies provides entertainment and made them laugh throughout, and help them to forget all the worries of their daily routine.
Why do some people like to make other people laugh?
Well, I think it is the nature of the people to make other people laugh, as by cracking jokes to to change the typical environment into funnier one.
Okay, so can you give me an example of a person who does so in your friend circle?
Yes, my friend named Saurabh likes to crack jokes, and she had the talent to change every critical situation into a happier one by cracking jokes, and by his typical talks, and she is also very good in studies also.
Do you think teachers should crack jokes in the classroom?
Well, I think teachers should crack jokes sometimes to make the environment friendly, and to make children understand everything properly. They ought to be cracked jokes.
Thank you so much.